Hi and welcome to Fabricville. Today we're going to use fabric scraps to make these cute pumpkins. I'm gonna need some fabric, a square of paper, some polyfill, some thick thread, regular thread, scissors, a piece of twig, glue, and some pins. First, I fold the fabric in two and I cut a square piece. And I stitch the two lateral edges together with a double thread. Now I use only one thread and I baste large stitches on the bottom edge. I pull on the thread and I stitch the edge closed. Now I turn the pouch right side out and I'm going to fill it with polyester fiber fill. And again, I baste the edge I pull on the thread to close the opening and I stitch. Now I'm going to use a thicker thread and I pass the needle from the bottom to the top, squishing the pumpkin. Then I wrap the thread around the pumpkin, pulling it tight to create a crease. I wrap the thread twice at the same place. Then I make a knot at the pumpkin center. And I repeat this until I got 6 sections. Now I stick a piece of twig for the stem. And that's it for our little fabric pumpkins. Thanks for watching!